Welcome to Cars Updates, your ultimate destination for the latest news, reviews, and updates on the world of automobiles. Today, we're thrilled to bring you an in-depth look at the iconic BMW i7. Introduction. The BMW i7 is a revolutionary electric luxury sedan that combines sleek design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. With its powerful electric motor, agile handling, and luxurious interior, this car is a true masterpiece of German engineering. Design and features. The BMW i7 boasts a stunning design that combines sleek lines, aggressive curves, and a futuristic aesthetic. The car's body is crafted from advanced materials, including lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, which provide exceptional strength to weight ratio. The BMW i7 features a range of innovative features, including a premium audio system with 18 speakers and 655 watts of power, providing an immersive listening experience. A navigation system with a 12.3-inch display screen, providing turn-by-turn directions and traffic updates. Heated and ventilated seats with massage function, providing exceptional comfort and relaxation. A range of advanced safety features, including autonomous emergency braking, blind spot detection, and lane departure warning. Powertrain and performance. The BMW i7 is powered by a range of advanced electric motors, including a single electric motor producing 282 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. A dual electric motor setup producing 536 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. The BMW i7 can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric luxury sedans on the market. The car's top speed is electronically limited to 130 miles per hour. Luxury and comfort. The BMW i7 is a luxurious and comfortable car that features a range of premium materials, including leather, wood, and metal. The seats are upholstered in the finest leather and feature intricate stitching, which adds a touch of luxury and sophistication. Technology and innovation. The BMW i7 is a highly advanced car that features a range of innovative technologies, including a range of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. A range of advanced infotainment systems, including a 12.3-inch display screen and a premium audio system. A range of advanced safety features, including autonomous emergency braking and blind spot detection. Conclusion. The BMW i7 is a revolutionary electric luxury sedan that combines sleek design, advanced technology, and exceptional performance. With its powerful electric motor, agile handling, and luxurious interior, this car is a true masterpiece of German engineering. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a luxury aficionado, or simply someone who appreciates innovation and style, the BMW i7 is a car that's sure to impress. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.